Vortex mixers are essential laboratory tools known for their ability to quickly and effectively mix samples. When evaluating Vortex mixers, several key technical parameters are crucial for assessing their performance and suitability for specific applications. Let's explore these important metrics. Speed range, RPA. The speed range, typically measured in revolutions per minute, RPA, indicates the mixer's ability to handle different mixing intensities. A wider speed range allows for greater versatility, accommodating both gentle and vigorous mixing needs. Vibration frequency. This parameter refers to the number of oscillations per second, which can affect the quality of mixing. Higher frequencies may be necessary for more viscous samples, or when rapid mixing is required. Maximum load capacity. The maximum load capacity determines how much sample weight the Vortex mixer can handle without compromising its performance. It's important to consider the size and weight of the containers you typically use. Timer functionality. Some Vortex mixers come equipped with timer functions, allowing for precise control over mixing duration. This is particularly useful for reproducibility and consistency in experimental procedures. Heating, cooling capabilities for specialized applications. Vortex mixers with heating or cooling functions can maintain samples at specific temperatures during mixing. This is critical for enzymatic reactions and other temperature-sensitive processes. Compatibility with accessories. Compatibility with accessories such as adapters or holders for various tube sizes and shapes can expand the functionality of a Vortex mixer. This flexibility is especially valuable in labs that handle diverse sample types. Understanding these technical parameters is essential for selecting the right Vortex mixer that meets the specific needs of your laboratory. Factors such as the type of samples, frequency of use, and desired outcomes should guide your decision-making process. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.